Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to reset your spreadsheet. You want to delete your values or your data, but not your formulas. So your first step is to click anywhere within your worksheet, and then on the Home tab of your ribbon, go over to the Find and Select button. Then go to Special. Then you want to select Constants, and you only want to leave the Numbers option ticked in this list. Click on OK, and that will select all the data across your spreadsheet. All you need to do now is just press the Delete key on your keyboard and you've reset your spreadsheet. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.